Hello students, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to yet another informative video by Sandpoint Institute Belagavi. This is Priyanka. So in this particular video, I will be discussing about 4 different points. The very first point is, if you guys are eligible for both AE and JE for this PWD exam, then for which you have to stick or for which you have to prefer. Second one is, okay, now you are eligible for both, now how to manage. Third one is, what is the strategy you have to follow for AE? And the fourth one is, what is the strategy if you are eligible for JE? And the fifth point is regarding the exam dates of PWD. So we will be discussing all 5 of them very systematically in detail. So now let's take up the first question, that is how to decide upon whether you have to concentrate either for AE or for JE if you are eligible for both. See, listen, decision is up to you. I am here to give you the inputs. So listen to the inputs and then you can take the decision accordingly. So now some students are sticking upon themselves for AE preparation. So what are the reasons for them? Very first thing is vacancies. So in AE the vacancies are more compared to that of JE. Second one is AE syllabus is less compared to that of JE. Third one is salary for AE is more compared to that of JE. So these are the 3 different points how you can decide upon why I have to prepare first for AE. And some students are sticking themselves for JE even though they are eligible for AE. What is the reason for that? Here there is no interview. Remember that for JE there is no interview. So if you perform really well in this exam, then straight away you will get selected. So that is the reason some students are getting themselves stick to this JE paper only. And the second point is, though the syllabus is little vast, the question paper will be easy comparatively compared to that of your AE. Either you take technical or GS. So less number of numericals can be expected in JE compared to that of AE. So though the syllabus you find a little vast, but you need not solve numericals with that much in depth. So considering these 2 points, some students are getting stick to JE. So even first decide madri neevu, because what happens here is, even though you are eligible for both, you cannot choose the random subjects. One subject environmental AE ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಓದಿದ್ನಿ, one subject building materials JE ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಓದಿದ್ನಿ, ಈ type ಓದಬಾರ್ದು ನೀವು. You have to concentrate one completely and then you should shift to the next one. So these are the factors which will help you to decide upon for which I have to stick first. Okay, and some students are there who feel that ma'am, I am giving equal importance for both AE and JE. Now what I have to do? So for this, earlier also I had discussed that strength of materials, highway engineering and construction technology and management. So these 3 subjects are common for both. So what I personally feel is, you can concentrate more on AE, complete all these 3 subjects as well as the rest 3 subjects, and once you are prepared with AE, then only few subjects will be remaining in your JE. That is building materials, surveying, estimation. So you can concentrate on them and you can cover up the entire syllabus of AE and JE easily if you do strategical preparation. That is more important. So now coming to the third question, that is you are eligible for AE only, then how you have to prepare. Most of the students are asking me, ma'am, which are the important subjects? See, personally what I feel is, as the syllabus is less in AE or JE compared to that of KPSC, then they have given equal weightage for all the subjects considering the syllabus of that particular subject as well as how much time the student need to devote for that particular subject. See, I understand questions from Bridge and CTM will come less in the exam, but the preparation time is also less. So it's your decision, whichever subject you want you can pick and you can start with the preparation. There is no hard and fast rule ki you have to start with this subject only. ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು? ನಿಮಗೇನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 20 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರು, ಬಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಬರೀ ಒಂದು 4-5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಈ 4-5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಓದಾಕ, ಅಷ್ಟ ಟೈಮ್ 4-5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೂ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ on which subject you have more confidence, if that's what I told. If you are more interested in numerical kind of subjects, then start with the SOM or structural analysis. If you feel like no, I am little more interested in theory kind of subjects, then start with environment or highway engineering and you can do it accordingly. And as I mentioned earlier, in our Sandpoint portal, 120 marks is for entire PWD AE technical. So even if you study 4 hours of recorded classes, you can complete within 30 days for this entire technical. And that's what I'm saying. If you can devote more time, still you can cover little more. And also same way is for JE. That is, it covers somewhere around 150 hours for this JE technical. So even if you study 4 hours per day, within 40 days you can complete the entire syllabus. The reason why I am explaining this 30 days, 40 days is some students are having some, I don't know, like some students have picked the dates. October 23rd is the exam. See, I am not sure of this. Some are saying there are no slots. So exam will be conducted only after December. So the most common problem with the student is if the exam is conducted after 2 months, 3 months, you will feel like you have lot of time and you will delay the things in the preparation. And some students, if the exam gets conducted quickly and you will feel that, okay, I don't have much time. See, nothing like that. If you study seriously from today for AE or JE, within 30 days with 4 hours of recorded classes, whatever we are providing, you can cover very easily. And also I told you that whatever the technical courses we are providing, there is no need of referring any other question papers, any other books, nothing. We have covered each and everything right from basics, theory, numericals, each and everything. And we have solved a lot and lot of numericals. If you do that much, it is more than enough. So that's what I am saying. Instead of wasting time in finding the resources, videos, books, PDFs or whatever it is, straight away you can join the course and within 5 minutes you can start preparing for this exam very, very systematically, very strategically. And that too, I told we had given lot of tips and all in between video lectures which will make your preparation journey very, very easy. So I am telling you, don't worry of the exam dates. Even if the exam will be conducted in next month only, if you start studying today, you can complete the syllabus properly. I am telling you, I am not giving you any vague numbers. All these are practical duration only which the student can cover very, very easily. So guys, now I want to ask you 3 different questions and answer in the comment section, or you can answer for yourself only in which category you will fit in. The first kind of students are, some people do the work without waiting. Just understand whether you are in this category or not. The second category of the students are, they will just keep watching the things, they don't do anything. And the third category of the students is, they won't be knowing what exactly is happening. So ಈ 3 category ಒಳಗ ನೀವು ಎದ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ? The first one is, you will do it without waiting. Second one is, you will keep watching. Third one is, you will not understand what exactly is happening. So ಈ 3 category ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಫಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. And this self-analysis will help you to improve yourselves only. The reason why I am asking this question now for you guys is, around 51,000 students have applied for this PWD, AE and JE. In that, vacancies are around 990. So at least 5,000 students will be studying very, very seriously. So rest 45,000 students will get eliminated very easy. Okay. So you decide whether you are in that 5,000 students who are studying seriously or whether you are not in those 5,000 students. Filling 990 seats within 51,000 is not a big deal. Okay, so whether you are in that race of the serious students or whether you are in the category who will just sit and watch. Because lot of students call me, lot of students join the classes. So I know exactly what is happening in Karnataka. Because we have the students who have joined the course, who have completed engineering in the year 2010, 11, 12 also. Okay, so they discuss their issues with me, what is happening. So I have that bird eye view what is happening. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ನಿಮ್ದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಓದಾಕತ್ತಾರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್. ಸೊ ಐ ನೋ ಹೌ ದ some students are very serious. Just few days before, one student called me from Gulbarga and he is eligible for JE. So he told, ma'am, I am studying in such a way that I am already a JE now. And ma'am, I have decided that definitely I will score first rank in this JE paper. So on the confidence level, he was very, very confident and I was very happy talking with him. So he was saying, ma'am, ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ ನಿನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರತ್ತಾರು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಓದ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೈಲೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾರು ಲೆಗ್ ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಲೆಗ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ who are studying seriously. I am just giving you a caution. I am just informing you. This is for your future. You are getting me right? So this is the kind of awareness video what I am making for you guys only. Hence, I suggest you to start preparing very systematically by clicking the link in the description. And I also told that hardly you are spending 1 rupee per minute for your future. So without any delay, without any confusion, take the decision right now and start your preparation. All the best.